If your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are not working and the phone calls, well, let me show you two tips how you can fix this. So the first one, you will have to open the settings of your earbuds in the Samsung 4 on or Galaxy wearable application. And now you will have to just go for this option called Manage Connections, and you have to be sure that you enable this feature for phone calls. And if you are using like Android phone and you are looking for this function, then it will be also available when you go for connections, go for Bluetooth, and now when you click on this settings icon, you will open the connection settings with this calls switcher, but on the Samsung devices it is just not available. And if it is still not working, well, you can sometimes just change your microphone manually. So when you got this phone call screen, you can just force to speak through your earbuds, but also to select its microphone. But also what you can do if nothing is working, well, you can just open the settings one more time, go for this accessibility. Oh, wait a minute, I just missed that function. I mean, I just want to show you where you can actually reset them. Yeah, in the manage connections. Yeah, in the manage connections. So we can just perform a reset of these earbuds and basically connect them one more time with your phone. So there's like 3 tips. Let me know if it works for you.